Freightliner single axle day cab tractor, pre-emissions for you. Looks like we got Detroit horsepower under the hood, Fuller 10-speed behind it. Nose and cab look pretty good. Dual fuel tanks for you. Frame's got a little surface rust, nothing punched through. Fifth wheel on the back, both mud flaps present. Cab looks like it's pretty good. This truck was driven here from a bit of ways away. Nice air ride seat for you, basic cab. A few lights out on it. Come on by, we'll show you, tell you more about it. Give us a call, we'll give you all the specs, and we look forward to seeing you soon.